Hello, welcome to Glo-Mary's community. If you are just joining, in this community we talk about everything beauty. We hope you love us. We hope you stay. We hope you enjoy our content. In this video, I'm going to be making avocado oil from the scratch. Now, the spin to this experiment is that I've watched a lot of videos and I've seen that a lot of people use more than 8 avocados to make their oil, sometimes 5, sometimes 8. But Glo-Mary is here with just one avocado. However, it is a big one. Let me show you. See, it is actually a very big avocado and it is soft. It's almost spoiling and I'm like, okay, what can I get out of this? So we are going to be doing this experiment together using just this one avocado to make our oil. Let's see what we're going to get. Make sure you watch to the end. I'll be watching you. Okay, so let me act like I know what I am doing. You need your knife and a spoon and of course the avocado that you want to use. Then I cut it out. It was actually quite soft. I told you guys it was already like spoiling. Yes, you can see that front side, it was already spoiling. So I will not throw away the seed because I still have another experiment I want to do with the seed, so I'm going to keep it, right? So I'm going to just scoop out the what's this thing called again? I'm just going to scoop out the avocado. I mean, so satisfying scooping it out like that because it's already very soft. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to do that. You guys, there's a lot of things that I experienced while doing this thing. Oh, there's a lot of gist package for you in this video. There's a lot that people don't say in their video. They just do everything and it looks like, oh, it is smooth, it is just like that. Oh my, it's not like that though. Hey, if you see the shege that my eyes saw, it's not small, but okay, I'm not going to give you spoiler. Let's just go ahead like that. So after I was done with this one, I just smashed it with my spoon. I mean, this is the first time I'm doing it. I'm just doing it like I saw in the previous videos that I've watched. Okay, so I just mashed it very well, making sure that there is no lumps at all, and then I spread it out. So from what I saw in other videos, I'm just supposed to leave this in a cool dry place for like 3 days and then automatically I'm just going to have my oil and sieve it out. God, oh. Anyways, I have sure done the first one. So guys, this was the second day. I just spread it out. This was the second day like this. Now this is not what I'm supposed to have according to the video. I'm supposed to have something very brownish. So when I saw that molds were already coming out of it, I put it outside. So this is the third day now. You can see that it's not looking nice. So what I have on this side is what I'm supposed to have like throughout. So it looks like it somehow, and then I started having, you see, there's now maggots now started coming out of it. It was so annoying, and the smell, oh my goodness. So this time, this was the fourth day, I was already having that color. This was the color I'm supposed to have the second day according to the videos that I've watched. So I'm just going to, so they said once I have that, I'm just going to like mix it again and then spread it again. But guys, the smell, once I started seeing the maggot and then it got darker and darker, guys, the smell is not nice. I'm not going to lie. And right now I'm still wondering if this is the only way avocado oil is made. How are they using it to cook? I mean, Is it that their own doesn't have maggot, like maggot did not come out of it? So let's not say that maggot is not coming out of it. The smell in I don't understand though. Like, this was like the fifth day, something that is supposed to take 3 days according to the videos that I've watched though. I started putting it in the sun safe. I stopped putting it in any cool dry place. I was just using my discretion at this point. I stopped following videos. So this was what I finally have. So because I was using only one avocado, so it was hard to really get the oil. You can see that it looks like, well, this thing has some oil inside. So what I did was to, well, this one was also from the other videos that I've watched. Put it in the microwave so that it can, or it can be, everything can, man, so in English, so that I can uh, so that I can be able to sieve it out. So, but please, so whenever you want to do it, if you want to try this at home, don't microwave for 5 minutes, especially with this kind of plastic, it will melt. So when I saw that it was already giving me one kind of weird smell, I had to take it out, and I started squeezing. Ah, guys, I squeeze. My hand was paining me. My hand was begging me that, okay, it's okay. We have seen that you have made avocado oil. It's okay. It's okay like that. Anyway, if you are new here, we do this thing. Don't mind all this talk that I've been talking. We do this thing where we share a Bible verse to encourage ourselves in every long form video. And yes, here is the verse of the day. So eventually, in Glo-Mary's lab, this was the quantity of avocado oil she was able to extract from one avocado, even after experiencing different kind of maggot and smell. So you guys, that's how I did one video, and one woman said she's going to use this shaft or this remaining one, blend it and use it on her face. I beg, how am I going to blend this thing and blend with maggot and put on my face? Let me know what you think. Oh, let me know if there is a better way to do this thing. I'm going to apply this thing on my hair regardless, but I'm not going to let it stay for long. I'm just going to wash it away because I still can't bear that maggot thing. Okay guys, I will make sure that I see you in my next one.